just past 10 o'clock at night, and we're getting reports in from across the state that show some damage from this powerful storm. Let's get to News Center 5's J.C. Monahan. She's in the Weather Center with some pretty impressive images, J.C.
Without a doubt, Ed, we've been seeing waves pounding the shore all day, but when you take a look at these pictures, you really get a sense of how strong they were. This photo you see here, this is what washed up in Duxbury. Someone's deck ended up on Gurnett Road. Clearly not where it's supposed to be. The powerful winds whipped up the surf, and as we walk down to Scituate, take a look at this monster wave. Excuse me, this is Hull. Monster wave that's taking over, right? It looks like it's just going to swing right over this house. It's as big as the house on Gunrock Avenue, and that photo was taken at high tide earlier this evening. That was right about 5 o'clock. All right, so that was Hull. Now we go over to Scituate, and that is where the National Guard was called in to help. And here you see one of the National Guard trucks coming in to rescue folks trapped in their homes, surrounded by the floodwaters. Soldiers from the 1058th Transportation Company loaded the folks onto their truck and drove them out. And of course, the storm's not completely over yet, so we will be keeping watch on all the damage reports as they come in. But hopefully, guys, we have seen the worst of it.
The height of that one in Hull is just...
if you doubted the reports that
Right.
there were 25 to 30 foot waves at high tide, that is perfect evidence of it.